Hello, mes, que tal sociales? Bienvenue à mon canal. So my hair is currently weighed down with all types of oils and moisturizers. So I'm finally going to wash it today and I'm going to give myself a protein treatment. I haven't done this in forever and I'm actually going to try the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment for the first time. I'm very excited for this, but also a little nervous because I've never done a protein treatment quite like this. I don't know why I've been so late jumping on the bandwagon with this particular protein treatment, but I finally was just like, let me go ahead and try it. It came in this little set and I watched a few videos about how to apply it, so it seems similar to the way it would get applied to my hair when I was going to professional. And I'm hoping, not that I'm hoping, I'm actually going to make sure I'm doing a protein treatment once a month, once every month and a half, because I'm currently on a journey to grow back my broken hair due to my pantothenic acid vitamins. Yeah, the first thing I have to do though is wash my hair. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just wash it with the Mielle Mongongo oil exfoliating shampoo. This one is supposed to help clarify and deeply cleanse to remove product buildup, which is what I have a lot of, and I want to just get my hair as clean as possible so that way the protein treatment has full range to do whatever it needs to do. But bueno, I'm going to go wash my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to shampoo my hair about 4 times before my hair stopped feeling oily. Alright, so let's open this up and read the directions. On the sleeve it does say stops breakage and reduces color fading. Alright, I know we are first going to use this little one. And then it says on the bottle again, stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks. Ideal for processed or natural hair. So I guess I only need to use this every 6 weeks, so every month and a half. Oh, it says for professional use only. But we're going to use it anyway. General directions. Shake well before use. 1. Gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. 2. Apply the Aphogee treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb. Blend with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Seat client under medium heat dryer with high airflow. Alternatively, a hair dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. Note, when Aphogee treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. If I would have realized this was for professional use only, I probably still would have got it, but I just wish, I don't know why I thought anybody could do this. So as I'm looking in the bottle, it's like, I wish I could show you guys, it's super liquidy. I don't know why I thought it would be like a conditioner consistency. I'm not really smelling anything right now, but I have heard this stuff smells like rotten eggs. I am going to part my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to use duck clips. So I don't have a wide tooth comb, but I'm going to use my Conair paintbrush. I love this as a detangler as well, and I feel like this is actually going to be a little bit better than a wide tooth comb for me because my hair feels like it's really tangled up right now. And what I want to do is just lightly detangle it before I start putting the product on my hair. Shake well. We'll just ooh, yeah, that stinks. What I probably should do is work in sections like this and work my way up, because I just put a whole glob on that section at one time and I completely missed everything underneath it. I finished my first little section and I love how my hair is already starting to curl up. I really made sure to get the tops of my hair because that's where I'm experiencing the breakage. It's already starting to harden, so I'm not trying to comb through it too much. Basically right when I apply it, I try to comb through it a little bit and then I just finish detangling with my hands somewhat and just keep applying the product. Let me just put this out the way and then I'm going to do the rest of my 4 sections. You have to be really careful with this because like I said, my hair is already starting to harden and it's going to be really easy for your hair to break if you manipulate it at all. Okay, so I'm finally finished. And I'm going to be very careful with taking out these duck clips because I know my hair is pretty much all hardened. Why am I doing that? Just let it go here. Don't try to separate it. I probably shouldn't have rolled it up like that because as I'm trying to separate it, I just hear my hair crackling. Now I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer. It says do not put on a shower cap. I'm thinking though I want to pin my hair up like this because I want to make sure it all dries. And I'm probably going to sit under there for a good 30 minutes. I forgot to mention I did use half of that bottle, so I have enough for my next round, and then I have to buy it on my third round. But the price of that Aphogee is amazing. I was not expecting it to be that inexpensive, especially when it comes with the conditioner. So about my hooded dryer, I was thinking about it earlier today. I've had my hooded dryer since my freshman year of college. I was 18 and I'm 26. This hooded dryer has lasted me thus long. I have not had any issues with it. I know a lot of people do complain that they don't want to invest the money in a hooded dryer, but it is so totally worth it. But as I always mention, whenever I condition my hair, I always use the hooded dryer to give myself a deep conditioning treatment because I'm drying out my hair with heat training it. So I'm gonna stop trying to convince you guys in every video to get a hooded dryer, but get a hooded dryer. It's gonna make so much more of a difference for you, short term and long term. And then especially with the holidays about to approach, do it as a holiday treat to yourself. Yeah, let me wash my hands and get this sticky stuff off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set up my dryer and sit under it and get this to dry all the way. Alright, so I sat under there for 35 minutes and my hair feels like crunchy leaves. This is crazy. I want to play with it, but I can't because I'm going to mess it up. Alright, so number 4 says re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dry protein, then towel dry. And then I apply the conditioner. So yeah, let me go ahead and rinse this out and apply this conditioner, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to sit here for another 30 seconds and just do this because it feels so cool. Let me stop before I mess up my hair. Anyway, I'll be back. Alright, so this smells like some disinfectant something. This line just smells really strong. From the smell alone, you know it's about to do something. Here is my hair. I just try to make sure I get everything rinsed out. My curls are definitely a lot more defined. Like the little curls that are left, I should say. I would say it's probably easier to use the conditioner in the shower because that way you're really making sure you're getting up and under and over. I always wash my hair at the sink and it's just a little bit harder. Right now my hair is feeling really soft. I'm loving the little curls that are trying to come through, and my hair actually feels stronger. I honestly feel a difference in my hair. I need to detangle my hair because I feel like I didn't really get to do a good job of detangling my hair in this washing process. And then I'm just gonna blow dry it and just wear it in a bun. But I will show you guys my blow dry results to see if I notice any difference. My hair smells like straight up cleaning products. Finished, and my hair feels really strong and I'm not getting any breakage whatsoever. That was something I was struggling with a lot these past 2 weeks. Yeah, my hair feels so much stronger. So this Aphogee is a must, and I'm very sorry that I'm really late with getting on this bandwagon. I'm doing that every 6 weeks, and let's see by December how much length I'm able to retain. I feel like that's gonna make such a huge difference in my length retention. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any tips for me for when the next time I apply this, please let me know in the comment section below, and until the next video, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.